Yung challenge kasi sa amin after my husband died was how to continue the legacy he left behind. Yung uri ng leadership sa governance na sinimulan niya. Parang gusto namin na maging inspiration siya sa marami pang local officials. Pag sinishare namin yung kanyang life journey, ang hope namin na hindi kasi naging madali yung pagiging local official niya kasi talagang sinangga niya yung nag-go against the tide siya. So, pero in the end, nag-triumph siya. Marami siya na-accomplish despite the fact na kinailangan niyang salungatin yung mga powers that be. Gusto namin na maraming matuto para maging courageous sila to follow the difficult but right path. So yung Gawa Jessie Robredo, ang hope namin na mag-shine ng light upon local officials who embody the same values that my husband did when he was still alive. Kaya concentration na local kasi for a very long time, local official yung asawa ko. Yung paniniwala naman namin, hindi naman nag-iisa yung asawa ko. Siguro, nabigyan lang siya ng maraming breaks na highlight yung kanyang kwento. Pero we are very sure that there are so many others like him na gusto namin, kami yung mag-highlight sa mabuting example na ginagawa. Na even if my husband is not anymore with us, we continue to advocate for the same kind of leadership and governance that he advocated for when he was still alive.